Ever imagine watching a rocket get caught by a giant net in the middle of the ocean? Or seeing one land upright in the desert like a sci-fi movie? Well, it's actually happening right now. China reusable rocket recovery technology is advancing at lightning speed. They've pulled off some truly mind-blowing feats recently. From sea captures to desert landings, these breakthroughs are changing space travel forever. The economics of reaching orbit are being completely rewritten. I'm genuinely excited to walk you through these incredible moments with you. Before we dive in, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest tech updates. The Long March-10B mission did something truly revolutionary. It made history by becoming the first carrier rocket ever captured by a net system at sea. The booster descended from space, targeting a floating platform in the ocean. Engineers designed a specialized net that could safely trap the falling stage. This success represents the very first time China has ever recovered a rocket from space. It also marks a world first for net-based recovery technology. China reusable rocket recovery efforts have now taken a dramatic turn. Instead of using legs that deploy on landing, this unique approach uses tensioned cables. The descending booster slows down as it approaches the net. Ground-based infrastructure then handles the rest of the recovery process. This technological approach opens new doors. It could make space missions much more affordable. The cost of sending payloads to orbit may drop significantly. Operational capabilities will grow stronger. Engineers plan to refine this system even further. They aim to refly the same rocket booster by the end of the year. This will prove the long-term viability of the design. The vision is clear. Space travel must become reusable and sustainable. Reusable launch technology is the key to that future. It allows for more frequent missions. It also reduces waste and environmental impact. This first step in the ocean marks a turning point. It shows that creative engineering solutions can overcome huge challenges. The net concept was risky, but it paid off spectacularly. Now, engineers have a blueprint for future recoveries. They can build upon this success to handle larger rockets. They can also improve the precision of the capture. The dream of routine space access is getting closer. This achievement places China at the forefront of innovation. It challenges traditional thinking about how rockets should return to Earth. The net system might seem simple, but it represents a major leap forward. It proves that unconventional ideas can change entire industries. China's space program leaders are celebrating this milestone. They see it as validation of their ambitious vision. The journey from space to sea is no longer a one-way trip. It has become a controlled, manageable process. This will inspire future engineers and scientists. They will look at this moment and see what is possible. The sky is truly no longer the limit. The Long March-10B rocket lifted off from the Dongfeng Commercial Space Zone. This region in northwest China is built for innovation. The footage shows the entire journey from assembly to launch. Workers transported rocket components to a specialized facility. They carefully assembled every piece. Engineers rolled the finished rocket out to the launch pad. A control center team monitored every step. They conducted rigorous checks before the final countdown. Then, ignition occurred. Powerful engines propelled the rocket skyward. A massive trail of smoke and fire marked its ascent. Inside the command center, the team erupted in celebration. Telemetry data confirmed complete mission success. This milestone strengthens commercial space sector capabilities. It shows that private and state efforts can work together. The Long March-10B aims to compete with rockets like the Falcon 9. It offers a cost-effective solution for satellite deployment. The launch demonstrated reliability and precision. It opens new opportunities for international partnerships. It also boosts domestic satellite deployment plans. The commercial space race is heating up. This rocket adds a strong competitor to the field. Companies around the world are watching closely. They see the potential for lower costs and higher frequency launches. The future of space access is becoming more democratic. More nations and companies can now reach orbit. This success proves that aerospace innovation is accelerating. The Long March-10B is a symbol of that progress. It shows how determination and skill can achieve great things. The team behind it deserves recognition for their hard work. They turned complex engineering into a successful mission. The commercial implications are enormous. Satellite operators may soon have more choices for launch services. This could drive prices down even further. It's an exciting time for space exploration. The possibilities seem endless. This mission marks a new chapter in China's space journey. It builds on decades of experience and learning. The net capture system worked flawlessly. It caught the Long March-10B booster after its maiden flight. This recovery took place off the coast of Hainan province. The unique design uses a hook mechanism on the rocket. It engages with tensioned cables on the recovery platform. The descending booster gradually slows down. It is safely captured within the net structure. This shifts recovery operations to ground-based infrastructure. The team plans more refinements. They aim to conduct the first reflight by year's end. Reusable launch technology is advancing quickly. This method avoids the need for complex landing legs. It relies on a simpler, more robust approach. The net system can be used repeatedly. It reduces wear and tear on the rocket. It also simplifies the recovery process. This is a smart solution for sea landings. It avoids the risks of hitting a small platform. The net provides a larger target area. This improves the chances of success. It also protects the rocket from damage. The future looks bright for this technology. It could become standard for sea-based recoveries. A private Chinese company just achieved a massive milestone. LandSpace successfully landed its Zhuque. This marks China's first ever land-based vertical landing of a reusable booster. The rocket delivered its payload to orbit first. Then, the first stage returned to Earth. It performed a precise touchdown on its landing legs. This places China in an elite group of nations. It uses an economical liquid methane liquid oxygen propulsion system. This design reduces the need for frequent thermal protection repairs. It also cuts costs significantly. The booster can be reused dozens of times. This drastically reduces space travel costs. It will accelerate the deployment of satellite constellations. Reusable rocket technology is the key to this future. LandSpace has proven that private companies can compete. They can innovate and execute complex missions. This achievement boosts China's commercial space industry. It shows that domestic companies are ready for global competition. The Zhuque 3's success sends a strong signal. The era of reusable rockets is here to stay. It promises a more sustainable and affordable future for space exploration. The desert landing was a moment of triumph. The Zhuque 3Y2 received significant technological upgrades. These enhancements boost its payload capacity. They also improve overall launch efficiency. The main focus was on the second stage vacuum nozzle. Its area ratio expanded from 50 to 100. This allows for more complete propellant expansion. It results in higher specific impulse and thrust. The engineering team also conducted extensive ground testing. They tested the landing legs for drop, deployment, and locking. These evaluations verified structural reliability during recovery. The team continues to optimize performance. They aim for mission success on future flights. Aerospace innovation is driving these improvements. Each flight provides valuable data. This data helps refine the design. The upgrades demonstrate a commitment to continuous improvement. The rocket is becoming more capable and reliable. This benefits all future missions. A new two-stage, fully reusable heavy rocket design has been unveiled. The concept was showcased at the China International Aviation and Aerospace Exhibition. The animation highlights sophisticated recovery mechanisms. The first stage deploys grid fins during descent. It then executes a capture using moving rails on an offshore platform. The advanced second stage performs a controlled vertical landing on solid ground. This ambitious design aims to reduce launch costs. It will enhance efficiency for future space missions. Reusable launch technology is progressing rapidly. This concept pushes the boundaries of what is possible. It envisions a future where rockets are routinely recovered and refueled. The design is both innovative and practical. It could revolutionize heavy-lift launches. This is the next frontier in rocket engineering. The industry is watching this development closely. It could set new standards for space travel. The future is becoming more exciting with each announcement. Building a rocket is an incredibly precise and intricate process. Chinese aerospace workers face unique manufacturing challenges every single day. They must handle thousands of complex electrical plug connections with extreme care. These connections are vital for the rocket's communication and control systems. A single mistake could cause a mission failure. Workers also manage large body structures in very confined assembly spaces. The work environment is tight and demanding. Engineers use innovative techniques to overcome these hurdles. They've developed specialized plug socket training stations. These stations help workers practice making perfect connections. They ensure everyone is skilled and ready. The team also uses rotating equipment for full 360-degree body rotation. This allows them to safely and accurately install components under gravity. It is a clever solution to a difficult problem. The process begins with research and development. Scientists spend years designing each part. Then, component manufacturing starts. Every piece must meet strict quality standards. Rigorous assembly testing follows to catch any flaws. Workers then transport the rocket to workshops. This requires careful planning and coordination. Final site integration happens at the launch location. It reveals the dedication required to prepare a rocket for launch. The human element is crucial. These workers are the backbone of the China space program. Their perseverance and technical innovation drive progress. They take pride in their meticulous work. Each successful launch is a testament to their hard work and skill. They are building the future of space travel, one connection at a time. The assembly process is a true marvel of modern engineering. It demands precision and flawless teamwork at every single step. The future of exploration depends on these dedicated efforts. They turn complex blueprints into soaring rockets. The team's commitment is truly inspiring to witness. China is taking big steps to expand its rocket production capabilities. A massive new assembly plant is currently under construction on Hainan Island. This facility will manufacture 50 Long March-8 rockets every single year. This incredible output will double the nation's current annual launch capacity. These rockets are designed to be low-cost and reliable workhorses. Each one can carry more than 20 Starlink-sized communication satellites into orbit. This supports Beijing's ambitious plan to deploy nearly 13,000 satellites into space. The goal is to build a massive network for communications and monitoring. By matching the launch pace of American competitors like SpaceX, China aims to accelerate its satellite network deployment rapidly. The new plant represents a major investment in aerospace infrastructure. It signals China's serious commitment to dominating the commercial space market. Higher orbital altitudes will also enhance strategic monitoring capabilities for the nation. This development could reshape the global space industry landscape. The future of global communications may well depend on these new capabilities. The Hainan plant is a critical piece of that future puzzle. It will help lower costs and increase access to space for many users. This is a game-changing development for the entire commercial space sector. China has put its first land-based rocket recovery site into service. The facility is located in Gansu Province. It is a 60 by 60 meter concrete pad. The site is situated in a remote desert area. This provides open terrain and stable weather for landings. The facility serves as more than just a touchdown point. It acts as an essential support system for post-landing processing. It handles propellant disposal and landing leg removal. It also manages tilting and transportation for future reuse. This strengthens capabilities in reusable rocket technology. It paves the way for more efficient orbital missions. The site is a critical piece of infrastructure. It completes the recovery ecosystem. This will enable sustainable space travel. The future is becoming more concrete.